Today we have an activity sheet from our Frozen book, and it says, count the crystals. Elsa released a blast of magic and created ice crystals all across the fjord. Count how many of each crystal are in the air. So, we need to count the crystals that have this water drop shape with a circle under it. Let's count those ones first. 1, not it, not it. That one's different too. 2, nope. 3, nope, 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 nope. Arrow, circle, arrow, diamond, circle, arrow. So we had 1, 2, 3. A is 3. B is the circle with the arrows on the bottom. So that's just arrows, arrows. There's 1, a diamond, arrows, a diamond, 2, 3, arrows, 4, a diamond, arrow, 5. It looks like we only have 5 for this one. C is the diamond shape. How it has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides and sits on the point, just like the big shape, which are ice crystals. They're shaped like diamonds. So let's count this shape in the middle when we have the big diamond shape with the small one inside. 1. We counted these ones, but not the arrows. So 1, 2, that's arrows, and that's the circle one. I think there's only the 2 with the diamond, but I feel like that's not very many. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3. There was another one. Good thing we checked again. Now we need to count all the ones with the arrows, and I think that one has the most. 1, circle, diamond, 2, circle, 3, 4, 5, circle, 6. That's the water drop, the diamond, the circle, the water drop. 7, 8, diamond, circle, 9, 10, water drop. 10 of them with arrows. So we had 3 with the water drop and the circle under it. 5 with the circle and the arrows under it. 3 with just the diamond. And 10 with the arrow in the middle of the diamond. Now we can start our coloring. And I think I'm gonna start with this light blue color to color in the ice that Elsa's standing on. Since she's casting ice and snow magic, I'm going to imagine she's standing on a rock made of ice. So it's not a rock at all. It's just ice. that Elsa made for her to stand on and cast her magic so that she could have all these ice crystals all over the place. And then I'll use the same blue for this part of her dress. But I'm only trying to color her dress now, so I'm going to be very careful that I don't color outside my lines and color in the other spots by accident. So I have to be very careful. And her shoes. And then this part of her dress is going to have this blue in it, but just a little bit. Because I'm going to use this blue to color in this part of her dress very gentle now that we have the other blue on it too. Because I want to make her dress look just a little bit different than the ice cube crystals are going to look once we have them all colored in. And her shoe. But I'm going to color ice crystals with this blue. Just like that. And maybe I shouldn't color all of them blue with this one. Maybe we'll color some of them with this blue. And then we'll color some of them with the first blue we grabbed. That way we can have multiple colors. But since they're all ice crystals, I'm going to make them all blue. And my other blues are a little darker, and I don't want them any darker than this one for any of the ice. So we're not going to use any other blues, only these two. And since I already got these two started, I'm just going to randomly color in some of these crystals, and then we'll switch colors and start coloring in the rest. See, now we'll use this one. Just like that. Because Elsa is using her magic. I don't know why she used her magic, though. Why would Elsa use her magic? I do not know. Do you know why Elsa would use her magic? Was it an accident? Did she do it on purpose? Was she trying to help Anna or Olaf? Or did she just lose control? I have no idea why Elsa's out here using magic and making all these ice crystals. But there sure are a lot of them. Whole lots of ice crystals here in the sky because of Elsa's magic. Last one. Now just making sure that I didn't miss any spots while we color them in the rest of the way. That looks good, and we're done with our 2 blue colors. 2 blue colors. B L U E. And blue is our first and second color, so we're going to use our bigger number and write our 2 down because it's 2 colors now. Then I need my cream color for Elsa's hair. That's so blonde, it's almost white, but not quite white, but very close. And that's all we needed for the 1 cream color. C-R-E-A-M. Cream. We had 2 blue colors, and now we're going to count 1 number bigger than 2 to add in our 1 cream color. So we had 1, 2, 3 is our new number because 3 is 1 number bigger than 2. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. Cream is our 3rd color today. Now I'm going to use my white one because there's just a little bit of Elsa's eye that we can see, and her eye should be white. So 1 white color, W-H-I-T-E, white. Cream was our 3rd color, 3 colors. Plus our 1 white color means we need 1 number bigger than 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the next number after 3. So 3 plus 1 equals 4. And white is our 4th color today. Now I'm going to use this peach color for Elsa's skin on her face and her hands with all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers, and we need to color in her foot. And that's all for our 1 peach color. P-E-A-C-H. Peach. White was our 4th color. Now we need to find 1 color after 4. Do you know what number comes after 4? I think it's 5. Let's count them up to do our adding and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was right. 5 is 1 number bigger than 4. So 4 plus 1 equals 5. And peach is our 5th color now. And now we can color in our background however we want. And I'm only going to color from down here all the way up. I'm not coloring down under here where our boxes are that showed the shapes that we had to count. I'm going to leave those uncolored. And I think I want to use a color that's different from what we have up there. So I'm going to use this dark green color. Go all the way from here, all the way up this line on the side to this corner at the top. And then all the way around the top to the corner on the other side. And then all the way down to here, because we're not coloring all the way to the bottom. That way we don't have to color in over our numbers that answered our question for our activity. For how many of each shape was in the picture. Because if we cover up our activity answers, we can't have them right. If we can't see them, then we don't know if we get them right. So we have to not cover them up. That way we can keep them there and check again in the future if we feel like maybe we were wrong. And just be careful, because if we color our blue crystals green, they're going to turn green too. Because to make blue, silly Pimmy, you don't make blue that way. Blue is a base color, and our base colors are red, yellow, and blue. When we mix those colors, we make all the other colors. It just depends on how we mix them and how much of one color we mix. And we can also add in black and white as shades of colors to make our colors lighter or darker. Just like this blue is darker than this blue, so one blue probably has more of a white shade added to it than the other one does. That way it makes it lighter. And to make our green, we mix together blue and yellow, two of our base colors. And when we mix those together, we get green. So when we mix, if we mess up and go outside our lines and color in our blue crystals with our green pencil, they're going to make a new color of green and become green crystals. But we don't want green crystals today, so I was very careful and stayed outside the lines for all my crystals. And now I'm done using my one green color. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Peach was our fifth color. 5 colors. Now we need to add in one new number for our one green color. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6, because 6 is one number bigger than 5. So green is our 6th color. And then 6 is our total number of colors for today. See? O L O R S. 6 colors. Now we're all done. I hope you had as much fun with me as I had with you today while we colored in our Elsa activity page, where we had to count up our shapes down at the bottom with how many times they appeared in the crystals of ice that Elsa made using her magic. And we had 3 of the ones with the water drop and the circle. We had 5 with the circle and the little arrows at the bottom. We had 3 with the diamond, and we had 10 with the arrow inside of it. And we used 6 whole colors today. So, it's time for me to put my colors away for the day. I hope you put yours away too. That way we can find them and keep on coloring next time. Also, make sure that when you practice your colors, you're practicing it on paper, because that's the best place to use them. So until next time, bye-bye!
Thank you for tuning in. Please like and subscribe down below.